Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to crochet a simple ball keychain perfect for beginners. For this project, you will need milk cotton yarn 125 grams and a 2.5 millimeters crochet hook and scissors and a keychain ring and a yarn needle. If this is your first time making a magic ring, don't worry. Take it slow and follow along. You can pause the video anytime and rewind if needed. Make sure your stitches are not too tight. If you feel your hand getting tired, take a short break. Counting stitches is important here, so let's count together. If your stitch count is a little different, that's okay, you're still learning. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if this is your first crochet project. What color would you like to try next? We'll repeat the same stitch a few times here. Once you get the rhythm, it becomes very easy. This is a good time to relax and enjoy the process. Now, you can see the shape forming. This is always my favorite part because it feels very rewarding. Even if yours looks slightly different from mine, that's perfectly fine. Every handmade piece is unique. We're going to repeat the same stitch for a few rounds here. This is a good moment to relax your shoulders and let your hands follow the movement. Once you get used to it, crochet becomes very calming and almost meditative. After finishing the crochet, we will stuff the ball. Use small amounts of stuffing and push it inside gently. Shape it into a nice, round ball as you go. If it feels too soft, you can add a little more stuffing. Once you're happy with the shape, continue crocheting to close the opening. If you're crocheting along with me, I'd love to know how it's going. Leave a comment and tell me if this is your first crochet project or how long you've been crocheting. Reading your comments really motivates me to make more tutorials. You can attach it to your bag, your keys, or give it as a handmade gift. Simple projects like this are great for practicing and building confidence. Thank you so much for spending your time crocheting with me today. I hope this tutorial helps you feel more confident with basic stitches. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next beginner-friendly crochet tutorial.